Looking for a remote job but you have zero experience? Well, in this video, I will show you how. If you have been dreaming of working from home or anywhere in the world but feel stuck because you don't have any experience, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to land a remote job without experience and start earning online faster than you think. So stick around because I'm sharing the strategies for you to land your first remote job. If you are new, welcome. My name is Salwa. I have been working remotely for over 8 years now, and today I teach people, well, I would say I teach freedom seekers how to land a remote job or how to make an income online so they can work from anywhere. So welcome. First, I got a good news for you. If you want to land a remote job, you don't always need experience. Many remote companies care more about results than traditional resumes. Oh, look at who's behind me. What's that fit? Gary Vee said, hire based on personality rather than skills. And he's right. Someone with the willingness to work and the ambition and somebody who's really hungry is much better than somebody who's experienced but is stubborn or doesn't follow the rules, you name it. And I've honestly done this myself. I've hired people who really wanted to work with me and they were not really that experienced because I knew with time and their willingness to learn, they would be good at that work, and they oftentimes less expensive than somebody with a very high-end resume, I would say. The first thing is to identify your skills. They are entry-level position remotely. Some of them are customer service, data entry, social media management, virtual assistant, and more. I think what you need to focus on is your personality traits. Are you a good communicator? Do you deliver the work on time? Are you organized? Do you have some tech skills? I think this is more important. Make a list of all the things you're good at, even if they are not professionally related. For example, do you have an eye for design? Do you know how to type fast? Are you organized? You never know. Some business owners or company might just need you. And then once you have a list of your best skills, try to match that with the demand. Those skills, are they matching popular remote jobs? Let's start there. That would be the first phase. Then you need to start small and start building your experience. If you really don't know where to get started, just practice. Ask a friend. If you have a friend who's a content creator or a business owner, say, hey, I'd love to design this for you. And it's completely for free. Let me know what you think. And if you love it, I'd love to get a testimonial for you. Or if you feel confident, reach out to small businesses directly and offer them a sample for free and see what they think of it. Not only they'll give you feedback and they'll help you improve, but if they're really happy with it, you might get you a job. If not, you can just ask for a testimonial and this will boost your credibility. And all these offers you're doing, whether it's design, whether it's social media, whether it's something else, this can be added to your portfolio. Once you have that in place, it's time to start looking for remote jobs. So again, I've been talking a lot about Fiverr and Upwork. Love these platforms, but there's a lot of them online. I've mentioned in some of my videos. LinkedIn Remote is also great. And remember, even if your portfolio is small, don't wait. Start applying today. You will gain more experience by somebody who's gonna hire you because they believe in you. And that is the key to get started. So you've identified your skills, you've built your portfolio and expertise, even if it's small. Now you're gonna build an online presence for yourself. First, redo if you don't have one already, or build your LinkedIn page. Very important. You're gonna be very detailed with all your skills and experience on your LinkedIn page. And don't be afraid to say, I'm looking for an entry-level remote position in. Remember, you match your skills with the demands, so focus on that. Do not forget to enter your personality traits. For example, willingness to work, ambitious, get the job done, are not afraid to work long hours.
Even though I don't like that, but
not afraid to get the project done on time. Like, say things that, first of all, you have to be willing to do, but also what a company would like to hear. And then make it your job to look for a remote job. Every day, sit down and apply for 3 to 5 remote positions. I know now LinkedIn offers the fast apply. So as soon as you see a position that interests you, you click on there and it's gonna send your resume with your portfolio automatically, and then just wait for them to reach out to you. Number 5, upskill quickly. While you are doing this, look at high demand remote position and start learning. There's so many free courses online or very affordable. I know Udemy have some great courses for very cheap. Coursera offer courses from university also for free. YouTube, make it your passion and your job to look for a job, but also to keep learning and keep building your skills.
I don't know, I can't speak today. I'm losing my voice, but I'm still showing up for you guys. I'm still showing up, so make sure you subscribe.
And this is Mustafet, everybody. She's here with me today. Honestly, there's no reason why you wouldn't find a remote job. If you're really applying yourself and you follow the steps that I just mentioned, you will only find a remote job because this is the future. So landing a remote job, it's completely possible in 2025 and 2026. As long as you stay consistent, you take in small actions every day, you show up like I'm doing today, don't forget to subscribe, and you upgrading your skills, very important. And by the way, I have a full roadmap. It's completely free. You download it in the link in the description. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, and that will give you the benchmark to get started to start making money online. I'm also opening up a membership so I can really teach you everything I know so you too can learn how to work remotely. And if you're interested, just type membership in the comment section and I'll send you more info. So let's do a quick recap. Number 1, identify your skills. Number 2, build your portfolio or resume. Number 3, start applying strategically and smartly. Number 4, build an online presence for yourself. Number 5, continue learning and building your skills. And if you stay consistent, believe in yourself, applying yourself, there's no other way. You will start making money online and landing a remote position. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye from Mexico. Bye.